we're back for another one. Before we jump into today's video though, I just want to thank you guys for the subscriptions, the likes, the comments. It means a lot, and we're gonna keep going from here. We're gonna run out and grab some parts for the car and the truck and get this argon bottle filled up, so let's go. Safety first. Get a little update for you guys here. So, after a day of errands and tomfoolery, we have our final fitment. Not too happy with the upper rad hose, but it's functional. Lower's there. Everything lines back up. After fucking with some wiring here and getting a dual battery set up hidden down in the factory spot. Let's see. Wow, that takes forever. Oh. But of course the batteries are too dead. So instead, we're going to focus now on not going crazy because of that. Throw those on the charger, and we're going to get to this. So, somehow I've managed to give out all my step bits and stuff, which is going to make doing this hole a little bit... Did I just say doing this hole? Now we're back after finishing that up, and let's just start with, I'm no MTIG, no boostable cow, nothing like that. You know, I messed around on a couple coupons because I haven't tigged in about a year and a half, which I would have been happy with any of those, but this boy just kicked my butt. Got a nice one on the inside. The outside did not come out the greatest, so I treated... Oh, yeah, it's still hot. So I treated it with JB Weld, which looks to have turned into soup from how hot it is. But let's see if I can set this down. It's almost... How am I going to get you in here? It's almost like it's cast and not actual aluminum, which I'm wondering who in China screwed me over and didn't give me real aluminum, and if that's the case. But I know it's not going anywhere. And JB Weld saves the world. So with that, we're going to leave you guys here and catch you guys tomorrow.